Okay, so Max is going to take her time doing hers. And I'm going to try to sort of go around my circle a little bit. I can definitely see that my circle is wonky. It is not a perfectly formed circle. So I'm just sort of turning my paper around. And I can definitely see I have some ways to go on here. And I'm just going to fill that in with some orange where I know that I could fix my circle a little bit. But I'm not going to worry about it. I'm not going to make a big fuss about fixing that. Does it look perfectly circular? Nah, doesn't have to. And so when we're filling in our paper, this is our dark part. And I want to kind of have a deeper halo around my moon. So I'm going to go ahead and use that side of that pastel and try to cover some more area in there. And I definitely want a nice blue spooky sky because our bats are black. So if our sky's all black, we might not be able to see them. So we definitely want to use some color for this sky and not try to sit there and say, oh, I'm just going to, it's dark, it's nighttime, so I'm just going to go ahead and use something super dark too. We want to go ahead and use some super color with our really, really bright moon. So I'm just going around the moon with my pastel, making a ring around it. Okay. And so we've got some nice cool colors here on the side. So I have my green, a light green, and I have a dark green, and I have my purple. Those are my nice cool colors. And I'm going to go ahead and use those. Might be a little weird looking, but that's kind of the fun of doing our own nighttime picture. So we're just going to fill these on in. Sorry about that. You good? All right. So I'm filling in lots and lots of blue. And then, but I'm being nice and soft because I'm going to blend in some other colors so that my sky looks a little weird here. So I don't want to grind my blue all the way down. So work on that part. Okay. And then we're going to fill in our other colors. So you want to probably watch here what it's going to look like and decide if this is what you want to do. I really want to add in some purple on my edges and in with my blue. And I think I might have it around my moon just for fun. So this has all kinds of colors in it. And I'm just going around my moon and I'm not going to worry about does it go in and out of my circles. It's kind of fun to color outside of the lines again. We don't have lines, so we can color it and just add fun colors in here. And just have a fun time with it. So I'm going to start adding some more purple behind here. And I think I'm going to go ahead and do my edges in my purple. Now, if we look at what happened with the moon here, see how it even got darker because we blended in some purple in with it. You do the same thing. You have nice dark colors for your moon without having to grab black. You can use a little if you really, really, really want that black. But it's really a good idea to not be using black for everything. Because once you've got black in there with your black bats, it's going to take attention away from your bats. So we want to have lots of attention on our bats because our bats are going to look cool. We're going to put them on this background.